how to create a poll on Facebook in 2 ways. So if you want to create a poll on Facebook in 2 ways, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with what's on your mind. Go with photos or videos and then select a video, or just simply go with create story and then select something. Go with stickers, which is on the top right. And here you will have a poll option. Tap on poll. And here you need to enter a question and add some options. Go with done, which is in the top right, and adjust it wherever you like, and that's it. And this way you'll be able to create a poll on Facebook. And the second way is you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with group and select a group in which you would like to create a poll. So tap on group and then tap on write something, and here you can go with participate anonymously if you want to turn that on. Now here on the bottom you will have 3 dots. You need to tap on the 3 dots, and then on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have a poll option. Tap on poll and then enter a question, add some options, go with done, which is on the top right, and post it. In this way you'll be able to create a poll on Facebook in 2 ways, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.